Your intuition will try to communicate with you in many different ways. The messengers can range from nagging feelings, a suspicion, or a sense of apprehension, to the strongest messenger, fear. According to Gavin DeBecker, author of The Gift of Fear, fear is the one you need to pay attention to immediately. Fear usually causes the strongest reaction in your body, too. A sudden chill or shiver up your spine or goosebumps on your skin can all be physical reactions to fear. A messenger of intuition you might not recognize is humor, particularly dark humor. According to DeBecker, your intuition may use humor to communicate true concern without the risk of feeling silly afterwards. It may sound something like, "I'll talk to you tomorrow, as long as our crazy coworker doesn't shoot us before then." When you hear yourself or someone else say something along those lines, stop and ask yourself why it was said. If your intuition is telling you something, listen. Intuition is the foundation of situational awareness and keeping yourself and your loved ones safer. DeBecker states, when it comes to danger, intuition is always right in at least two very important ways. It's always in response to something, and it always has your best interest at heart. So what is the difference between true fear and worry? True fear is organic, and worry is manufactured. You don't actually fear an attacker, you worry about what that attacker might do to you. You imagine being hurt or even killed by the attacker. It's your own imagination creating the worry that causes stress. Remember, when you get a true fear intuition message, it's always in response to something. Another example of intuition comes from the animal world. When animals get the fear message, they run away. If you've ever come upon an animal you didn't know, wild or domesticated, large or small, they probably ran away as soon as they saw, heard, or smelled you. One of the differences between animals and humans is judgment. With judgment comes the ability to disbelieve or downplay the message of intuition and what it's trying to tell you, unless you can explain it logically. The key activity from this video I want you to start practicing is learning the difference between fear and worry. The next time you feel scared, ask yourself, is this a true fear message or am I manufacturing worry? When you first start trying to pay attention to what your intuition is telling you, you may feel confused or even overwhelmed. You may start getting confused between true signals and worry. Always remember, intuition has your best interests in mind, and it's always in response to something. It may take you a while to trust your gut, but after intentionally paying attention to the messages your intuition is trying to send you, it will become second nature. You will be able to move forward in life, trusting that the real signals of intuition will come through loud and clear when they need to.